you are actually, when you're drawing, you're looking at your pen tip or your pencil tip. Like your eyes are following your brush tip, right? I think that's what makes this difficult. I think instead of looking at the actual pen tip, what I want you to do is you can start off with looking at your pen tips. You're going to start off, I'm looking at my pen tip. And then after you kind of come to this point, I'm going to actually bring my vision right here. I'm going to look right here as I am starting to round this bottom corner and come up. And the reason is because I'm relying on my hand-eye coordination at this point, and that is going to give me a much better result in regards to connecting these two thin strokes together. So the way that I like to, the analogy that I like to say for this one is that, think of playing baseball. So when you're playing baseball, what do you hear them yell all the time? Keep your eye on the ball, right? Don't keep your eye on the bat, which is your pen. Keep your eye on the ball, which is the goal, or where you want to hit, like where you want to actually hit. Because in baseball, you're relying on hand-eye coordination, your hand, which is holding the bat, and your eye, which is looking at the ball. And you just have to rely on your hand-eye coordination. So that's the way I want you to think about this when you're doing these. Just remember me in your ear saying that.